For businesses operating in the furniture manufacturing and processing industry, a finger jointing production line is almost an essential piece of equipment. However, achieving high product quality while also saving on costs and labor, all without compromising productivity, remains a major concern for many companies. Understanding this challenge, after a period of research and development, HONGKY has launched the HKT-620 V3 glue rolling finger jointing line, which performs all three key processes in one system: tenoning, vertical or horizontal, glue application, and wood jointing. The line is composed of multiple units, including three main components: Finger Machine 1, Finger Machine 2, and the HKT-620 V3 automatic vertical press. Finger Machines 1 and 2 are responsible for tenoning and glue application. Recognizing the unique characteristics of finger joints, with their many serrations and difficult-to-reach glue areas, HONGKY has designed a specialized comb-tooth glue roller unit. This ensures the glue penetrates deep into each finger notch, resulting in strong adhesion, reduced contamination, and more efficient glue usage. After passing through the two finger units, the wood blanks are transferred to the HKT-620 V3 automatic vertical press, where, under the pressure of two pressing tables, they are quickly joined into consistent finished products. The machine is engineered with a focus on safety, automation, and a range of outstanding advantages that few jointing machines on the market can offer. Continuous and stable operation, over 20% electricity savings, up to 65% reduction in compressed air consumption, easy operation with a bilingual interface, Vietnamese and English. Especially noteworthy is the significant productivity increase when using the HKT-620 V3 automatic vertical press for wood jointing. The HKT-620 V3 glue rolling finger jointing line by HONGKY is available in two versions, with an automatic infeed system, without an automatic infeed system. In the version with automatic infeed, the feeder supplies material to the machines autonomously, without manual labor, an ideal solution for businesses aiming to boost productivity and reduce operational costs.